Starting around 02 August 2023, Bitgert truly is exchanging at $0.00000031 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14% in every practical sense. Most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious way. Brise especially has a sort of complete market cap of $124,529,057, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,262,874, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This generally makes Bitgert, Brise, beautiful positioning at 173 in the digital currency market. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in an essentially significant manner? Is Bitgert a truly wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Which generally is very critical. Will Brise cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high? Or so they in a real sense thought. These generally are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost really is supposed to cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $0.00000043, the normal genuinely least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to sort of be $0.00000041, which generally is very critical. Besides, Brise can in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.00000047, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitgert value expectation July 2023. The cost of Bitgert in a real sense is generally anticipated to in a real sense reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.00000034 in July 2023, which explicitly is very critical. The Brise cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.00000038, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.00000037 all through 2023. Which fundamentally is very critical. Brise value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitgert really is gauged to by and large be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.00000037, showing how Bitgert value expectation July 2023. The cost of Bitgert for the most part is especially anticipated to basically reach at any rate worth of $0.00000034 in July 2023, which truly is very critical. The Bitgert value worth can explicitly arrive at a truly limit of $0.00000039, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00000038 in United States dollars. Showing that Bitgert value forecast July 2023. The cost of Bitgert truly is certainly anticipated to basically reach at a truly least worth of $0.00000034 in July 2023. Bitgert, Brise, value gauge September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Bitgert is especially anticipated to really arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $0.00000039, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.00000041 and an in every practical sense least of $0.00000037, exhibiting that starting around 02 August 2023. Bitgert especially is exchanging at $0.00000031 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14%, in most recent 1 hour, in an extremely enormous manner. Brise value gauge October 2023. The Bitgert estimate for October 2023 expects that the Brise may for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.00000043 with an essentially least cost of around $0.00000038 in an in every practical sense significant way. Discussing the typical value, Brise can truly stretch around $0.00000040 for October, which basically is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Bitgert generally is somewhat anticipated to especially arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.00000041, while the coin could exchange between a buy and large limit of $0.00000045 and a really least of $0.00000040. Incredibly, Brise value estimate December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Bitgert basically is supposed to sort of arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $0.00000041, which truly is very critical. The Brise cost could for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.00000047, with the exceptionally normal cost around $0.00000043. Bitgert essentially passed value examination, and the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been basically diminished by 1.01% in its in every practical sense current worth, which shows that will Brise cost in a real sense outperform its untouched extremely high in a sort of large manner. Assuming we really think about the buy and large current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert by and large is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, exhibiting that in the event that we for the most part look at the truly current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, which by and large is very critical. The Brise fundamentally is down to nearly 4.24% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, showing that starting around 02 August 2023, Bitgert in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0.00000031 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14% in by in large most recent 60 minutes. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past sort of couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, which especially shows that on the off chance that you all things considered are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what for the most part is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitgert basically be truly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise generally diminished by 35.772%. Wiping out an astounding exceptionally normal amount of $0.00000018 from its extremely current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down